Now, customer reviews shape how we shop, and Yotpo's latest is analyzing 16 million reviews to reveal key trends in fashion, beauty, home, and more. From the most returned items to the highest rated products, brands are using these insights and AI, of course, to improve customers' experiences. Joining us now to break it all down is Tagrin. He is the CEO. Good morning, Tagrin. How are you?
Good morning. Thank you very much for having me. Great. How are you?
It's always a pleasure speaking with you, Tomer. Now, I just want to talk to you about this data. What would you say was the driving force behind your company's decision to launch the Shoppers Have Spoken report, and how do you see it shaping retail decision-making moving forward?
Yeah, so AI is probably the biggest buzzword there is, and I think specifically because AI and content production have become so cheap, there's something about authenticity, and customer reviews are more important than ever. And by being probably the largest reviews company in the world, we analyzed 51 million reviews coming from 2024 and probably 400 million reviews in total to really uncover some really, really important trends. And we see how our ability through AI to analyze authentic content can actually drive much better business decisions. And we try to democratize it to dozens of thousands of e-commerce brands worldwide.
And which insights from the report do you think will have the biggest impact on how brands approach product development and customer experience?
Yeah, so I think it's just the beauty of it is endless amount of insights. I don't think there's one big thing. I can give you three things that for me caught my eyes. As you can see, one, mascara. Probably it's the product with the most issues, or women return the most dresses because of fit, or when I don't know, when the color is red in clothing, usually there's going to be a lot of negativity about color discrepancy. So for different brands, it can mean different things, and I think that's the beauty. It's not one thing or one silver bullet, but for every brand, once we are able, through our proprietary AI, analyzing all that content on scale and benchmarking it to their industry, you can really, really drive new product development, marketing campaign, and overall customer experience.
And AI is playing an increasingly critical role when it comes to e-commerce. So how is Yotpo using AI to analyze reviews at scale, and what advantages does this bring to brands overall?
Yeah, so reviews is one of our products. Yotpo is a platform that has email marketing, SMS marketing, loyalty, and reviews. So you can think about it, once we're able to analyze the reviews on scale and benchmark you can, for example, generate very hyper-personalized campaigns through email or SMS. Let's say someone has a color discrepancy, you can actually send them the right campaign and on a different color that has a much higher grade in terms of discrepancies, and the ability to analyze what your customers are saying and then communicating to each one in a very hyper-personalized way. I really think that's where commerce is going, and this is why the data of authentic reviews is so important when you're trying to communicate and understand how you're improving your brand.
And when it comes to fashion and beauty sectors, fit and formula consistently remains a major pain point. How can AI-driven insights help brands reduce return rates and improve customer satisfaction?
Yeah, so the ability to analyze that on scale per product and actually benchmark yourself versus to similar stores is crucial. So let's say you launched a product that is already starting to have negative sentiments on topic that we know that other stores have a positive, negative. You should probably do something with that product, or to understand why customers are returning and what you can do about it. Is it just bad shipping? Is it again bad service? Is it a price problem? You're able to uncover those things on scale, and actually in a few months we're going to launch a tool, Atlas, that's supposed to do exactly that and help merchants leverage AI on scale, understand the sentiment, but actually give very actionable thing on what to do, because insights without what to do with them are not worth a lot, specifically to the dozens of thousands of brands that we are serving.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining us again, Tagrin. He is the CEO of Yotpo.
Thank you for having me.